Welcome back. I'm here with my mom, Kathy.
Hi.
At her new house. And today we are going to organize, declutter, and set this sunroom up.
Yes.
What do you think about it?
I'm ready for it.
The goal today is to go through all of your boxes that you brought in here that were labeled Kathy's office.
Yes.
Because this is going to be your art room / office storage.
Yes.
And you will keep your office desk, but we're going to move that
over there. I think what we should do is on that big credenza, maybe put half of the art supplies on one half and then other supplies. So I'll just go eeny, meeny, miny, mo. The right-hand side will be art. The left-hand side will be business, office stuff. Okay.
Great plan.
Okay.
First off, I would suggest let's only put the things in there that you use all the time.
Okay.
The other things, let's make a pile of stuff where not necessarily get rid of it, but it's not something you're going to use in there. Because there's absolutely no way all of this
is going to fit. But these bins like this that I had in my stand-up cabinet, I got into all the time. So they're going to remain, what's in them is going to remain in 3 small bins. And I'll show you which ones they are. Okay, what did I say? Office on the right?
Office on the left, you said.
Okay.
Art on the right.
Okay.
You can always switch it.
Okay, here we go.
So this, for instance, I know you want to keep, but I don't think it should be kept in there because it's so big and bulky and you don't use this very often.
Where would I put it? I don't have a lot of storage.
Maybe standing in your closet on like one side.
Yeah.
Out of the way.
Okay.
If there's room, you can bring it back.
Okay, put that.
I'm going to make a little pile over here.
Okay. And the same with, well, this is art. This is it's acrylic. It's an acrylic art box with all my acrylic paints. So
that again, maybe it would fit.
Okay, we could put it.
But if not.
If it doesn't fit, then okay. If it fits, we'll do it last. This is a bunch of random stuff that was in my office that we just grabbed off all the shelves. So let's put that in last.
Random stuff.
Random stuff. And you know what's in there? My last 2 pieces of felt that I've actually used several times now to put things on so they don't scratch up things.
I also see maps in there.
I love maps. I'm a map person. I can look at maps, especially old maps. These are all my art supplies.
Is that the stuff you use all the time?
Yes, different. Yes.
This looks like stuff you use all the time.
Well, there's 25 frames, but more than half of them have art in them because we took them off the walls in our old house and we had a lot of art on the walls. So I need to either rotate art here and have a place to store them, which will probably be in the garage.
26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31.
31. Okay. Number 31, you're the winner.
Here we have the box of boxes.
I love
get real now because they might not fit.
I just love my box of boxes. For all you box ladies, you got the big box, you got the fancy box, and inside that,
all right, all these
little
boxes
boxes
are empty,
and more little boxes. Okay, you get the idea.
All of these frames are empty, so I'm going to put them over here because they might need to get decluttered. Only because. No. There's no wall space.
I know, but I just buy those and I give them to you. I put art in them. I just bought those from IKEA.
You did.
Okay, well,
maybe you could return them. I would just, from now on, this is what I'm going to do from now on. She can do it or not do it. Buy the frame right when I need it.
I know. All right, well, we'll put the important things in first, and then after we will see what kind of room we have left in there.
Kathy's
art. So I'm going to see what's in here. Let's see. I don't know. You know, this is really crazy. You in high school when you did that mask?
I was in high school.
Okay, get this. She had me. This is me. She used me and she covered my whole face. She put 2 straws up my nose or something, and she covered my whole face with gooey white wrap bandages.
I only got a B+ on this. Why didn't I get an A? I think that's pretty good.
It's not the face, it's the color. No. Anyways, so I've kept this hanging over my doorway.
Can't hang it? Or is it weird?
It's weird.
I think it's cool.
I want you to have it so you'll have my face.
Don't you think hang it here?
The mask, the mask.
It goes with the sunset.
It's weird.
Is it?
Well, I'll save it. And then
is it freaky?
To me, it's a little weird. Does it look like me? It's probably when I was about 45.
It's your shape exact of your lips and everything.
It's my lips when you want to.
It's so funny.
When you want to kiss yourself. Mwah. What's left of my hat collection.
The hat collection.
Yes, those are the ones I use. I have boys that come over all the time and need hats. Okay, so in the same box, I just found a stack of CDs, DVDs, whatever they are from 04, 08, 09, just different backups and trips and photos. So I'm going to get rid of these because I don't have a way of playing that. And I don't think they're like TV DVDs. They're just.
I think it said on one of them that it was only for your computer.
It only plays on the computer. Anyway, I'm just going to throw these away. I don't need them. I haven't used them for 20 years, so.
What are you going to do?
Yeah, okay. We did boxes. Now we're doing bags.
I think some of this can go.
Bags. Baggity bag. 'Tis the season. Okay, I have a Christmas bag in here. That can go in my Christmas supplies. But literally, these bags I use all the times for gifts, for donating stuff.
Oops, sorry. One box is empty.
All right. So I've been running across all these frames and pictures. I've been taking the pictures out and giving the frames away. I gave away about 10 of them last week to my art class.
We both said, whoa, this is the box of sentimental tchotchkes that came out of the curio cabinet that they no longer have. This will be taken out to the garage so they can sort through it later. In these boxes, it was all art that was either framed or prints of things that we had done a long time ago. Some of it was my art, a lot of it was my mom's art, but we were just quickly going through all of this and deciding what to keep and where it should go. I took a lot of this home to my house that I wanted to keep, and then my mom slowly went through it. Later, we ended up just taking all of this and putting it in behind the couch for her to go through when she had more time and decide what she wanted to do with it, if she wanted to keep these or get rid of them. Maybe you can donate some of it.
Yeah, I can share it with my friends.
Because we bought all this in bulk when we were selling art. And I can't imagine us selling art again.
How do you crouch down?
I'm crouching.
It's hard to crouch. Yeah.
Hard to crouch, but I think you could give some of these to your friends that have art, but also
I'm going to start painting lots of pictures, putting them in these frames and giving them to everybody. Everybody's
selling them.
Everybody's going to have my art.
Should we start selling art online? Tell us. Give us a comment and let us know. Should we start creating art, putting it on Etsy and selling the originals? Would you buy it?
Okay. And then the other thing is, when should we make this camera go up so we can stand?
We have to make the decision. Are we going to sell art or are we not going to sell art?
We need to make that decision.
And then I'm
going to be painting a lot, so.
You'll never believe it. We cleared the floor and my mom is going to get rid of this. This was one of those art night things that we did, and she said she doesn't want it anymore.
This is my file cabinet. This is what that big one is now. This is my file cabinet. This is all my business stuff. I'm keeping this. I'll put it over here.
We have eliminated this huge pile that was here and in that corner. So now the idea is to move the desk down over here. It might change in the future. We're not sure. But for now, we're thinking of doing that. This was the beginning of moving all the furniture around in this room over and over again. This first day, we decided to put the desk down in that corner on the side wall. But then in a few weeks from now, we end up shifting things around again. I think that's just part of moving into a new home, moving things around to see what works best and how you like the layout once you're in there. These are called super sliders. They're amazing. It makes all your furniture slide around. If I can link them down below, I will.
The big ones, little ones.
Big, little, round, straight rectangle. Here we are.
Short.
They have been working miracles for the move. Also, one reason why you're saying we're gonna have to pull things out and this and that is because in, a few days?
Yes.
You have ordered blinds and what are they called? They're called
cellular blinds.
Cellular blinds.
Shades.
Cellular shades.
Yes, they go like... Boop, 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 boop.
They go down, up, and it's going to be amazing. But those are going to have to be installed.
Next
everything
week
will have to be pulled away from the wall.
Yes.
So this is a preliminary
And I should wash the windows before they come too.
This ended up being a full body workout, moving all of this stuff around and decluttering. But hey, that's how we are getting our exercise lately. Also, we're calling this the sunroom, but on this day, it was a little overcast. So you're not getting the full effect of how bright this room gets. But when the sun is out, this is a really nice place to have a lot of bright light, which is a reason why my mom is getting the cellular shades, because it can get get quite hot in this room in the afternoon when the sun is bright and in the warmer months.
This should go sideways there. See if it'll go.
What do you use more though? Because isn't this, you said backup stuff or no? No, it won't fit. You have a thinner box that we just emptied out. Maybe it could fit in there.
Okay.
Like 2 of the smaller ones stacked.
I've got my sewing machine in my bedroom for now, so
you might be able to fit it in here, maybe.
Maybe.
Just fit here, like back. Because you're not using these weighing things that often.
Right.
So those could probably fit back here.
And then this could probably be used for standing some of that stuff up.
If it would even fit in here.
On,
hand me all those.
How about over there? This will go here. I can stand papers. Art's going to go on this side. Well, that
hand
side
me all
too.
those craft boxes.
These? Oh.
Let's see if that can... See, what I was saying is I see a lot of room where maybe they could get...
combined.
Simplified. Now...
I was looking for these little boxes because I can use these for things. I need one in the...
Good idea. This could fit here.
Could this easel fit in there?
Height-wise? Yeah, it could stand up at the back maybe.
Okay.
This is the active stuff that you're currently using.
Yes.
And we're shifting it into this bin because it fits better.
Okay. Yay. And it slides, right?
Slides.
And my boxes are saying,
where will I live? Oh, in here? Okay.
All right.
And then this can just lay.
All right.
Also, we didn't even think about it, but look, you could put this in here.
Yay, I have a drawer. Oh my gosh, I have a drawer. Yay. Time for a break. La la la, la la la, la la. Okay, that's enough.
Let's get this out of here if we can carry it.
Should we take some out?
Well, I think if it's the 2 of us.
Okay, we got it.
It's funny that out of all the felt you saved the red. I don't know why. Because you were going to use it under stuff?
I know. No,
or crafting.
They were big pieces. The other ones were little squares, which I know I could go to Michael's and buy all those. But the big sheets of them, I saved the big ones, which came in handy. I can cut them up.
And we're just saving them down there for now?
Yes. For now.
For now.
For now.
Just a quick recap of what the goal is here is to get this room set up. We moved everything out of here that is not going to be in here anymore, but we still have to deal with all that. We've just moved it into the other room. So this room will be completely set up how it's going to be. We've stored away what we can, what we think you will use in here.
Yes.
And again, we have probably hours worth of work to go through art, go through all that. We're not going to film it because that's tedious and boring. But I just want to say that no, we did not deal with all those boxes yet.
Not all of it.
To.
Yeah.
But a lot of it got sorted through.
Oh, yes.
We have some stuff that is going.
Yes.
Hooray. So let's go through it real quick and you can tell us what is...
Grant was putting in a new pole in my closet yesterday. So I was sliding my clothes around. I thought, I haven't worn this
It's falling apart. This is
I know.
Okay.
I know. It's got one little thing. Oh, you know what? These are all glued on. It probably needs to go in the trash.
Probably. It looks like it's falling apart right there.
It is. But anyways, I really liked it. You know, this probably from 20 years ago, and I kept it. And so now it's going to go. It's so crazy. I haven't worn it once. All right.
That's
going? Yeah, definitely 20 years.
This we already mentioned, but this is going. This was an art night, but you don't want to put this up.
Yeah.
So we'll just pile it all here.
Okay. And I went through my bags, some of my bags. You're always saying baggity bag.
Bags.
A black bag, a backpack.
3.
And
4.
This one.
Yay.
There we go.
4 bags going.
These 2 have 2 bins that slide in and out. I used to use them in the bathroom underneath the sink, and it doesn't work here. There's nowhere to use them. So
it's really bulky with not a lot of storage.
Right.
Also, we have saved this for so long and tried it in a lot of different rooms, and you have made sure 100% that there is nowhere this is going to work.
Right. So these are all going to go.
Okay.
And those little dish things, you put your cups up higher than your plates. So this is all going.
All this is going, which is an impressive amount because we weren't really looking for stuff to be decluttered. We were just kind of gathering what we saw.
Let me run and get one more thing.
Oops, I almost fell.
This is my bathrobe I've had forever, and I haven't used it for at least 15 years. So I washed it up. I'm going to give it to the thrift store. They'll like it. They told everybody, don't be bringing dirty things that can't sell and broken furniture that can't be fixed.
They had a sign that said, please don't drop off junk that can't be sold, because they have to throw it away.
Yes, they have to. They have to
pay for it.
Pay.
So we're going to be a lot pickier about what we drop off, and actually really think twice about what can be donated.
So I washed it first. So now it's going to go to the thrift store. I just never ever wear a robe anymore.
It looks brand new.
I know.
Honest.
Well, it is pretty new. I've never really worn it. I had another one that I threw out that was worn out, but then I just quit wearing robes. The sunroom. I'm comfortable. I can go.
Kathy's room.
This is Kathy's room. Well, this chair came with 2 pillows. And probably a couple years ago, I'm going to get rid of one. And I didn't. So now I'm going to get rid of it because it only sits around in a cupboard, or it doesn't fit on the bed, on the chair. So
you don't need 2 because the chair is kind of small.
Yes.
For 2 pillows.
So this is going in the pile. They love it. Say hi to your friends outside. They're jealous. Not. There we go. Pretty.
If you need some extra help decluttering, make sure you check out my ebook, Decluttering Made Simple, a room-by-room plan to clear your home and your mind. I will have all the information in the description box below, as well as my blog, which is completely free. There is a full guide to decluttering when you're over 65. I will have everything linked below.
We've been able to organize everything in this cabinet here. We brought your chair. All the things are done. How do you feel about this room?
I said I could live in it now. Put a wall up there. It's wonderful. I love it. Thank you so much. Yeah. Wow.
It looks perfect. It has everything you need, your office supplies, your art stuff. You're ready to do your art here, looking out the window into the backyard.
Oh, yeah.
It's beautiful.
I'll have to do paintings of the yard.
I'm so excited for you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
If you're new here, you can hit the subscribe button to join the channel. I also have a free email list that you can find the link to in the description box if you would like to join. Thank you so much for being here, and we will see you in the next video.
Bye-bye.